Welcome to my channel Robo Learning. This video is a demonstration of persistence of vision text generation method. So you see here 8 LEDs and there is a Hall effect sensor here and magnet to detect the Hall sensor. And I'm using Arduino Nano to control the entire process, and the entire setup will mount on the top of a DC motor which is 500 RPM. You can use any RPM motor depending on the adjustment you are doing inside your program. So once this rotates, it's basically generates the sequence of display. So as you see here, it's changing the LEDs. So this is the way it works. So every time, and then there will be slight changes, and based on that, some micro millisecond, you just keep on changing the LED to generate the subsequent pixel to generate the text. So that will give a feeling of it's a basically imaginary process that will generate the text. So entire things will here. So I'm going to show a demo of the things here. So I'm using here 8.4 lithium ion battery, and there is another battery 3S lithium ion battery to generate the to rotate the DC motor. You can use a voltage regulator to control the speed of the motor. So hope you understand the entire thing. Using pin D5 to D12 to power the LEDs here, and the pin 3 to control the Hall effect sensor, to read the signal from a Hall effect, and then some other connections as usual. So let's see how it works here. So we're going to power it and it will rotate. So this is the way it works. So if you rotate the LEDs, it will generate the text. So hope you like the video. If you like it, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.